The world of business is in constant motion. Leaders will look back at enterprise video systems in the same way as people today look back at antiquated technology for the missed opportunities due to lack of actionable information. An infinite number of events are captured on video at any moment. It is not possible to have people constantly watching activities to detect events that need to be acted upon. This leads to missed opportunities to mitigate risks as issues arise. Introducing TaskWatch, an AI computer vision workflow platform that allows businesses to deploy custom computer vision automation within weeks. TaskWatch collects and curates training data, then allows operations teams to build and deploy AI models on the edge. And when the AI model detects events that need to be acted upon, TaskWatch initiates fully managed work processes for team members, or as the need may be, dispatches robots, or even activates industrial automation. When there is a need to integrate with third-party systems, the TaskWatch integration engine makes that happen. When so much is happening in the business, obviously leadership will need visibility to what's going on, and TaskWatch takes care of that as well. The world's largest companies use TaskWatch. Deploy TaskWatch in your business to generate return on investment within weeks. Contact your TaskWatch representative at TaskWatch.com to find out how TaskWatch computer vision workflows can help solve specific challenges in your business.